Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about the benefits of hibiscus tea for women having PCOS. But before I start, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. If you've done that already, thank you so much. I appreciate the benefit of hibiscus tea, known as zobo. If you're a woman having PCOS, hormonal imbalance, one of the important tea that you are supposed to have is hibiscus tea. It's very important. You're not supposed to lack hibiscus tea. You're supposed to have this tea. You will do a lot in your body. Most especially women that is having mixed period, you are supposed to have hibiscus tea. One thing hibiscus tea is going to do for you is it will normalize your period. It will put your period in check. Your period will come as at when due. Hibiscus tea is very important. You cannot go wrong with hibiscus tea. It's very, very important. If you are always having delay in your period, or your period, you're feeling it as if it's coming out, you'll be having pains, you'll be feeling as if it's coming, just take hibiscus tea. It will help you bring it out. Hibiscus tea is very important. For women having PCOS, they often have cases of high blood pressure, high cholesterol. It will treat it. Even weight gain. Women having PCOS always have weight gain. They always have weight gain. It will help them lose weight. Hibiscus tea is very nice. It's very good for the body. It helps a lot. If you do this, you will come back to thank me. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop my video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.